Hello folks, welcome to the second video in calculating pi on pi day. So today we are going to use infinite series to calculate the value of pi. There are a couple of series that we can use. We have the Gregory-Leibniz series that you can see here. We also have a series called Nilakanta series. Yeah, these two are good examples of infinite series that approximate the value of pi. So we are going to use the Gregory-Leibniz series. It's very simple. All you have is alternating terms that are positive and negative, and each term is a fraction where the numerator is always 4 and denominator is an odd number. So let's try to use this infinite series and calculate the value of pi. So I'm going till 132 terms, so I think 133 terms, and see how good an approximation we can get. So we have all the terms here. Let me generate odd numbers here. So in order to generate odd numbers, all I have to do is take this number, multiply it with 2 and then add 1. So this is going to generate odd numbers. So you can see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and here I'm going to just have 4, and here I'm going to generate the sign of the term. So if you see here, so we have the first term which is positive, and then the second term is negative, and the third term is positive, and the fourth term is negative. So let's try to do that here. So all I have to do is equal to minus 1 power this value. So okay, so we're getting the first term positive, second term negative. Now I have to do is take this 4, divide it by this value, and then multiply it with the sign. So there we have the first 132 terms in this series. So now we can say pi is equal to sum of the values that we got here. So sum of all these numbers, and we have 3.149111134. So let us see what is the actual value of pi. Let me use the power of internet search to find out the first maybe 10 decimals of pi. Okay, so this is the first 10 decimals of pi. Okay, so let us see what is the error we have. So yeah, I think we are pretty close. We have 0% error. That's no. Let us. So we have very little error. So our calculation comes up to 3.149. So 3.15, whereas the actual value is 3.14. So yeah, that's a very small error, and I think we have a pretty decent approximation of pi using this Gregory-Leibniz series. Now let us see what happens when I take 100 more of these terms in the infinite series.
So at 132, let me go till 232. Let me go till 265. Okay.
Let us see what happens to this. So let me pick the entire. Okay, we are actually going down in the number. So okay, so when we take more values, we see that the approximation of pi has reduced, but however we are still in a very decent ballpark of the actual value of pi. So that's it, folks.